Beautiful one-bedroom single-level condo featuring soaring 16-foot ceilings, LG stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, cozy fireplace, inviting dining room area, currently used as an office, a huge bathroom, and inside stacking laundry. The complex offers a pool and spa, and the unit comes with 2 side-by-side covered parking spots. There is a practically brand new central air conditioning unit. This is an upper-story unit located in a super nice building within this community. You have a private exterior entrance. The washer and dryer as well as the refrigerator are included. Centrally located in the heart of West Hills with easy access to the 101 and 118 freeways. This is a very nice home, ready for you to make it yours.